Get noticed in this 2009 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.